everybody, I am Dalton Knight from Dalton Big Eyes, and today I am going to be doing a hot and cold balloon experiment. So you'll need a bottle, a balloon, a bowl of hot water, and a bowl of cold water. So first, put the balloon on top of the opening of the bottle and tighten it. Then put the balloon and the bottle in the hot water. As you can see here, it is slowly expanding and it is rising up. Now, let's see what happens when we put it into cold water. Ooh, it contracted. So this was a successful experiment. It contracts in cold water and expands in hot water. This is the end of the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.